What's up, boss? When you see one of these, it's more than just a box. You see someone that thinks outside of the box, so therefore doesn't confine themselves within the auto depreciation market. This Mercedes G-Wagon, specifically the 63 Amg models, hold value, but good luck trying to find one of these at sticker price. This is a 2022 G63 in matte black with the AMG night package, straight from the factory. Finally, manufacturers are making this option available so that we don't have to go get our vehicles wrapped, risking them taking everything apart like Mr. Potato Head. In 2019, Mercedes revamped the archaic G-Wagon, changing the suspension. In my opinion, a necessary upgrade. This is a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine that produces an impressive 577 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. Not bad for a box, huh? The piano black interior and Napa leather complements the vehicle. The downsides are there is no legroom in the back, but certain sounds will never get old. Anyway, let's see what the Emperor has to say.